My Pocket is a read it later Alexa skill, meaning that it reads you the articles on the internet that you have saved for later. If you discover an interesting article but you're not free to read it right away, you can save it, then have Alexa read it back to you later. The skill is made possible using the Pocket service that enables you to save articles in an app or web browser. Here is how you use My Pocket. First, of course, you'll need a Pocket account. If you don't, simply create one. Second, go to the Alexa Companion app. I'm using the web version here. Search for a skill, enable it, then it will prompt you for account linking. Finish the account linking process by authorizing the skill in Pocket. Third, now you can start using the skill. Here's a demo of it. Alexa, what is in my pocket?
Here are 5 of your saved articles in Pocket. 1. Mental models I find repeatedly useful. 2. How exercise shapes you, far beyond the gym. 3. The physics of productivity, Newton's laws of getting stuff done. 4. Forget about setting goals. Focus on this instead. 5. Why does equals mean assignment? Which one would you like to read? Say the number, or say, next, to read the next in list.
2.
How Exercise Shapes You, Far Beyond the Gym, by Brad Stulberg, June 29, 2016. When I first started training for marathons a little over 10, it's about sorting out perceived risk from real risk, and then being as rational as possible with what's left. Would you like to continue?
Yes.
But you don't need to scale massive vertical pitches or run 5-minute miles to reap the benefits. You develop physical fitness. You're developing life fitness, too. That's all for this article. Perform an action, or say, next.
Favorite.
Item favorited. That's all for this article. Perform an action, or say, next.
Archive.
Item archived. That's all for this article. Perform an action, or say, next.
Next.
The Physics of Productivity, Newton's Laws of Getting Stuff Done, by James.
Fourth, if you are too lazy to pick one from the article list, Alexa can also read you a random one. Alexa, ask My Pocket to read me a random article.
Announcing 1.1.1.1, the fastest, privacy-first consumer DNS service, by Matthew Prince, April 1, 2018. Cloudflare's mission is to help build a better internet. We're excited today to take another step toward that.
My Pocket was published around a year ago, but it has been updated with a number of new features recently. First, it now has support for Echo Show and Echo Spot, which allows these devices to display your article on the screen while reading it out to you. The paragraphs are formatted so clearly that they are so easy to read. Second, it can now perform many actions to an article after Alexa finishes reading it to you. For example, you can favorite, archive, or delete an article. It is as simple as it sounds. Third, it can now differentiate articles under a certain tag. If you only want articles about food, say, Alexa, what is in my pocket with tag food? Or, Alexa, ask My Pocket to read me an article with tag food. Fourth, we now have German translation for the skill, thanks to a very helpful user. With My Pocket, you can save an article during the day and have Alexa read it back to you as a bedtime story. You can save a recipe earlier in the week, then display it on Echo Show when you're cooking on the weekend. You will discover your own way to make use of this skill. The community has already shown their love for the skill. Even so, the skill will keep getting better with the community's help. My Pocket, the ultimate read it later solution on Alexa. Live on Alexa Skill Store, open source on GitHub.